Hey guys, good morning. How's everybody doing today? I wanted to talk to you today about a new feature that was rolled out from OpenAI, which is ChatGPT Work. So you want to use ChatGPT Work. It is combining the latest ChatGPT model 5.6 Soul, which is the most powerful GPT out there that uses the least amount of tokens. They've combined this with something they call GPT Work, which gives you access to automate your workflows. And you can switch the models. You can say, I want a slow model, a medium model, or advanced model based on how many tokens you want to burn, or you can set it on auto. ChatGPT Work also comes with something called ChatGPT Sites, which is a very exciting enhancement because if you're working with a client and the client wants to see a prototype, you can spin off a prototype and give them their own website that's live very quickly within a matter of minutes and send that to them so that they can test it. If you're working internally with the team, you can spin off a site and produce documents to share, out of office calendar, a workspace to work on things, a database for financial reconciliations. You can really do whatever you need to do with this sites and spinning it off. So those are the updates I wanted to talk to you about today. ChatGPT Work, which will allow you to have a combination and switch between ChatGPT code, normal ChatGPT, or work inside of ChatGPT Work to spin off sites. You can use those sites for spinning off prototypes for clients. You can use those sites to work internally with your team on documents. The new ChatGPT 5.6 Soul will also allow you to do better PowerPoint presentations, better Excel analysis, and you can have that all customized inside of one window on your desktop. Another tip I want to share with you is if you want this to be constant on running on a schedule, once you have your scheduled events, you want to take the ChatGPT app, you want to copy that app and put that inside of your Windows startup folder. And so if you start your computer at 6, 7 in the morning and you have automated tasks kicking off at 7:30 a.m., you start your computer, it automatically starts, you walk away, you get your coffee, and now those tasks are running for you. You can have it do automated tasks to do updated PowerPoint presentations, updated Excel analysis. It can use the browser for you to fill out forms. You can create a very, very smart chat bot. You can create a site to send to clients to give you a prototype. There's a lot of really cool updates, and right now that is the most powerful model that's out there, ChatGPT 5.6 Soul, until a competitor comes out with something different. All right. Let me know how you're going to be using ChatGPT 5.6. Let me know how you're going to be using ChatGPT Work and how you're going to be using sites. Remember to hustle harder, and let's talk again soon. Bye bye.